Which one do you want? Grab one, grab one, grab one, grab one, and I'll grab one, and then they are gone. Hello my healthy people. In today's video I'm going to be making some delicious scones, and to get started making our scones I will be using 2 cups of whole wheat pastry flour. So that's 1, and we have 2. Who's here with me?
Ava.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Go ahead and add it, Ave. Add it. 1, 2. 1/8 teaspoons of Himalayan salt. Good job. 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add it. Go ahead. Oh. So we're just gonna mix everything to get it incorporated. So now, Ava, what are you adding? Coconut sugar. 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. Go ahead. Add it. Very good. Oh, I'm gonna incorporate this. Smells really good, right?
Cinnamon.
Yeah. 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda. Incorporate everything together. I'm going to add 1/2 cups of coconut, and this is disintegrated coconut, dried coconut. I'm gonna make a little mountain in the middle for her, because you know these kids have quick hands.
Can I do some too?
Okay, good job. Go ahead, Steph, add some. Go ahead.
He's gonna add all.
Okay, now wait, Abe, wait. Let's just start to incorporate everything together. So let me see how we're doing here with the milk that I incorporated. What are we making? Coconut scones.
Cones or scones?
Scones. They are, you can have them any time of day. Alright, so this is pretty much how it should look. So I have my non-stick pan, and I'm just gonna put it on there just like that. Once again, don't look at my nails. I only have the 1 nail polish. You guys know my issue already. You should have it looking like a little ball. Once you get it into a ball, just like that. This is real simple, real easy. You're making it in a perfect circle?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. Alright, so we're gonna take a pizza cutter.
That's a pizza cutter.
Yeah, because we want to cut our scones. We're gonna cut it in 4.
Like our family is in 4.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna cut this one out.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect size.
Is that a pizza?
No.
Looks like a pizza.
And then we're just gonna go like this.
Are we done?
We're done once we separate them. Delicious vegan scone with no refined sugar. Thanks Ava and Stephanie for your help. We made about 5 pieces, so we're gonna throw these in the oven right now. Alright my healthy people, so we just removed our scone from the oven. I had them cooling for about what, 10 minutes, Ave, you would say?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna transfer them over to a plate, and it's the perfect amount. Like I said, it's 4 people in our family. So this is what our scones look like. Absolutely yummy and delicious. These are a perfect snack for the kids. You can have them with coffee. You can have them whenever you want. No refined sugar. Absolutely delicious. I had them. Everything that you're gonna need as far as the ingredients for this scone will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Thanks for watching Maxine's Corner. Thanks for your continuous support. If you love what you see, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up, and what? Stay healthy.